We're going to make it
So what are we making today?
an origami.
Okay, so how we do that, we take this paper.
And fold it into a square.
Okay.
And make it into a square. That's how we need to do it.
To start with, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to do that. And
so we're going to do it into a square. And then we need to take this piece of paper off, right?
yeah, we do.
Like this, is it?
We're going to make this so it's going to be so easy.
Uh-huh. So we do that. And then the easy way is to just fold it round both ways. And then we will just drag our finger along the top and the bottom here.
Like that,
And
yeah.
then-
We do that and
And then
then
we
rip
tear
it.
it off gently.
Yeah, we do.
Cool.
And then we open it up
And now-
it's a square.
Yes, and now it's a square. So
Yeah.
what we need to do now is fold it in half. And then take this and fold it in half again.
And then open it again. And open it.
We will open it in a minute.
Yeah, we will. We will actually open it. After this.
We're going to just do this like this, right?
Yeah, we are.
We press it flat down
Yeah.
and flat down there.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then we open it.
One moment. So this needs to be this way. So this is the
Yeah.
side that opens. Yeah, so we're going to open it up like
we
this.
do. We're making this.
Okay,
Again.
and once it's open, what we need to do is
And
we need to
just
take
fold it
this
there.
ear or this side here and we need to fold it down.
Like
If you just
like
put your
that,
finger
like that,
over
like
there
that, like that. Yeah,
and you
like,
just take this slightly over
okay,
and then you
like
just
that.
go like that. Is that right?
Yeah, it is. It's actually
Okay.
right. And then you flip it over
Okay,
like that.
okay, we're going to flip it over. And then what we need to do is we need to kink it over here.
like that. Yeah, we do it like that, and then we
Like
That's
this,
what we
and
do.
then all the way
just like
down.
that.
Okay, and
Okay,
then
okay.
we need to take this piece. Let me see, what are we doing now? Oh,
Make
we
it
need to fold this piece like this.
Okay, yeah, we do that. We do that. Yeah,
Yeah.
we do that
And then,
when it's not the right thing to do.
so we've done that now.
Yeah, it's not the right.
And then
Adjust
we need
it.
to open it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then we make
Oh,
like a puppy face on it.
there we go.
Okay.
Okay, and now
Make a puppy face on it.
we need to fold this up, right?
Yeah. Or make a puppy face. Make a puppy face. Yeah.
Just
I'm
needs to
getting
come
it
up
like
here.
this So I can make a puppy face.
Okay, so you're going to do the puppy face, is it?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
We are going to do puppy face.
Okay, so we need to fold this. Look, we need to fold this up to here now. Right?
And it's
so
done.
look, it's like this now. And then
Wait,
we need to do
eyes.
first the mouth. You're in the
Wait,
way,
that's
you
not
can't
the
see.
mouth. That's not the mouth.
Oh, sorry, that's the nose. You first need to do the nose. Yeah, do the nose.
Yeah, we should do it like that. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes, that's great.
And then colour it in.
Uh-huh.
Like,
Oh dear. What
That's
happened? That was a bit of
Oops.
an oopsie.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we need two eyes over here.
You can do what colour, whatever you want, eyes.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Oh, okay.
This is pink. I thought it was going to be red.
It's
yeah.
okay. See, there we go. Good job.
Yeah, we are. We are actually doing a good job. And then that's all.
And that's
Is that-
it done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Next video.